Hello everyone, this is 365 RV Living, and today I'm going to give you a review of a really awesome coffee maker. My husband and I picked this up over a year ago, and it is the Ninja Coffee Bar. It comes with a cookbook and a catalog of different recipes for different types of coffee, your actual owner's guide. You can see here it's the CFO 91 series coffee bar. Comes with a quick start guide, and ours also came with the regular scoop. It shows you what size of coffee you're making, what size scoop you should be using. It has a large scoop on one side, hope you can see it because of the glare, small scoop on the other side. My husband and I drink coffee pretty regularly, so we're using this at least once or twice a day, and we really actually enjoy it very much. It's very simple to use. You can see here it's got a dial to indicate what size of coffee you're going to be making. You can do a travel mug, a multi-serve, 18 ounces, half a craft, full craft, single cup, and a large cup. Ours is usually always set to either a half craft or a full craft. Then you can either have the classic brew or the rich brew, or you can have the iced coffee brew, which we did in the summertime, and it was fabulous. Real easy to make. Just fill up the craft with ice and put in your coffee and water, and then you've got a nice iced coffee for enough for the whole family. You also have a specialty concentrated brew and a cafe forte brew. Now these are supposed to be reminiscent of your espresso shots. They are not truly, it's not truly an espresso, but it is an espresso-like drink if you like the lattes or the cappuccinos or the flavored frothy drinks. These are really good. I've used these more than once and I've really enjoyed them. You have a drip stop, so if you want to stop the drip and pull the carafe out early, you can. And the indicator light will come on to let you know that you did that. And it also has a clean indicator to tell you whether or not it's time to clean your machine. Cleaning the machine is really simple. You just fill the canister of water up about halfway with white vinegar and then the rest of the way with water, and it'll go through its cleaning program. It also has a preheat button, so when you're ready to brew your coffee, you can preheat the machine so it makes your coffee hotter. You have a stay warm plate. You can also set the delay brew if you want to have the coffee ready for you first thing in the morning. One of my favorite features on this is the little frother. It's real simple. It comes out the side. As you can see, it tucks back in there, so it's a space saver. And then you just push the top to turn it on, and it froths up your cream and coffee really nice. Sometimes I'll warm up my cream in the morning or in the afternoon, and then I'll froth it and then pour the regular coffee over it, and it's very nice. Right now I'm going to brew Rich Brew. Is the brew that my husband and I enjoy the most. It does give a little bit more of a full-bodied flavor to the coffee that we use. And I'll tell you, this is so simple to use because the scoop that they use really takes the guessing game out of how much coffee to use per serving. So right now I'm making a half a craft, and I did 3 scoops. Normally I do a full craft and I'll do the 4 scoops. And we've just really not had a bad cup of coffee out of this. If we had a bad cup of coffee, it was probably the coffee we were using and not the coffee maker, because it's pretty consistent on the flavor of the coffee. If you put in the same amount of scoops every time, it just is really good. And we use fresh ground coffee. Sometimes we'll use pre-ground coffee. Sometimes we'll buy coffee on clearance if we like it. And so we have our favorite coffees, but we also try other coffees, and I'll tell you, it's really good every single time. So the coffee takes a few minutes to brew. After you're done, that's about it. I mean, it's very easy to clean up. You have the craft here that you can just use a long handled sponge to clean out. I use the reusable coffee filter that comes with it, and it's very simple. You just dump the grounds out in the trash and rinse it out and you're done. The craft actually lifts up and down onto the holder here, and so it's very easy to fill in with water. Like I said, it's just a very nice machine. We really enjoy it. It is one thing that, other than our ice maker that I told you about in a different video, we definitely have no problem taking up some counter space for this coffee maker, because it does really make a good cup of coffee. Very consistent. It also comes with the quick start guide will show you all the different types of coffee that you make. The iced coffee is very good also. And so are the single size coffees. So we've never had a problem with it. We've really enjoyed it, and we use it. I'll make a pot in the morning and a pot in the afternoon. So there you have it. There is our quick review video for the Ninja coffee bar. Ours came with the glass carafe and the scoop and all of the paperwork. And so if you have an opportunity to purchase one of these, I would highly recommend it if you're a coffee drinker. I think this far exceeds even the famous Bun coffee maker, at least in my eye. So thank you for watching our video and our review on the Ninja coffee bar. Again, this is a product that my husband and I really enjoy. Please like and subscribe to our channel and give us a thumbs up if you enjoy the video. We will be putting out more videos as we go along. We do live in our RV 365 days a year. And if you're interested in a product, this product, there's a link below that'll take you to Amazon where you can order your very own. So thank you again and have a great day.